In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email guests in Google Calendar using Google Workspace for Business. This feature is incredibly handy when you need to disseminate additional details or reminders to meeting participants without having to manually input their email addresses. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google Calendar. Open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com, which will direct you to your Google Calendar interface. Make sure you're logged into your Google Workspace account to access the business features of Google Calendar. Once you're in, you'll see all your scheduled events presented in either a daily, weekly, or monthly view depending on your settings. Now that you're in Google Calendar, locate the specific event you want to work with. This event is the one for which you need to email guests. Click on this event, which will bring up a pop-up detail view of the event itself. This view will provide you with all the pertinent information related to the meeting, such as time, location, and more. In this event detail view, pay special attention to the section that displays the number of guests invited. This section is usually right below the event title and time. Here you can see not only how many guests are invited, but also whether they have RSVP, EEP with a yes and no or maybe. This is a great way to track who will be attending and can inform how you might want to tailor your email message. Next to the number of guests, you'll notice several options, which include the all-important Email Guests button. Hover over this button and go ahead and click on it. What this button does is truly convenient. It opens up a new email draft using Gmail, automatically populating the recipient list with all the invitees to your event. It's a huge time saver because you don't have to manually enter each guest's email address. With your email draft now open and the recipients already filled in, you can go ahead and type in your message to the guests. Whether it's a friendly reminder, additional documents, or last-minute changes to the meeting, be sure to clearly convey your message. Once you've crafted your message, review it to ensure that all the information is accurate and that your tone is appropriate for the audience. After you've reviewed your email, simply hit the send button to dispatch your message to all the invited guests at once. And that's it. You've successfully sent an email to all your Google Calendar event guests using Google Workspace. This straightforward feature can streamline your communication process, allowing you to focus more on the content of your meetings and less on the logistics. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps make your business operations a bit smoother.